I don't think people understand the full impact of TSMC's shocking $100 billion move that could change everything. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, the world's largest chip maker, is doubling down on its U.S. operations with a staggering $100 billion investment in Phoenix, Arizona. Over the next 4 years, this expands on their previous $65 billion commitment to building cutting-edge factories. Why is this a big deal? TSMC's move brings the latest chip-making technology stateside thanks to $6.6 billion in CHIPS Act grants. This not only supercharges U.S. tech manufacturing, but also eases Taiwan's worries about potential tariffs. With tech giants like OpenAI, Oracle, and Apple ramping up U.S. investments, TSMC's strategic leap underscores a growing trend. For investors, this signals significant opportunities in the evolving landscape of American tech. Stay tuned for more updates.